Transformation of sentence. He kept his promise. This is a simple sentence and we have to convert this simple sentence into a compound one. We know that in compound sentence there are coordinating clauses or independent clauses and one clause does not depend on another clause. To express its meaning, we join coordinating clauses with and, or, but, etc. conjunctions in a compound sentence. This is the compound sentence here. He made a promise and kept it. We have made two independent clauses from this simple sentence and have made this compound sentence. He made a promise. This is an independent clause and it expresses its meaning, and he kept it. Here we need not write he because this part kept it, this part is related to this subject, and we have joined the two independent clauses with the conjunction and here. So the answer is he made a promise and kept it, and this is a compound sentence. The school was closed on account of a local festival. This is a simple sentence and we have to make this simple sentence into a complex one. We know that while making complex sentence, we have to convert a phrase from a simple sentence into a clause. So here, this is a phrase on account of a festival. We do not have to change this part, the school was closed. This part will remain the same and we have to convert this phrase into a clause to make it a complex sentence. This is a complex sentence here. The school was closed because a local festival was celebrated. Actually, we have converted this phrase into this clause. Because a local festival was celebrated. This is a subordinate clause. And the school was closed. This part of the sentence is the principal clause. We have joined the two parts of the sentence with the conjunction because. So the complex sentence here is the school was closed because a local festival was celebrated. We can join two or three sentences in many ways. Here are two simple sentences. I returned home, I went to bed. This means immediately after returning home, I went to bed. This is the joining of the two sentences. Returning home, I went to bed. This means just after returning home, I went to bed. And this word returning, this is a participle, present participle here. In the same way, I finished my work, I left for school. Here are two simple sentences. In the same way, we have joined these two sentences. Finishing my work, I left for school. This means that after finishing my work, I left for school. And finishing, this is the present participle here. Here are two sentences. You must work hard, then you can succeed. And we have to join these two sentences into one sentence. Actually, the meaning of this is that if you work hard, you can succeed. We can join these sentences with infinitive to. This is the joining of the above two sentences. You must work hard to succeed. Here, to is the infinitive. Here are two sentences also. He went to Bombay. His object was to see his ailing friend. So, the second sentence shows the reason why he went to Bombay. This is the joining of the above two sentences. He went to Bombay to see his ailing friend. To, this is the infinitive here. He is an honest man. Everybody admits it. We can join these two sentences easily with a noun clause and by adding a that. This is the joining of the above two sentences. Everybody admits that he is an honest man. We have added here a that, and this part of the sentence is the noun clause. He helped me in my distress. I shall never forget this. This is the joining of the above two sentences. I shall never forget that he helped me in my distress. Here we have added a that, and this part of the sentence is noun clause. যদি বাংলায় অর্থ করা হয় তাহলে ব্যাপারটা এরকম অর্থটা এরকম হয়ে দাঁড়াবে, আমি কখনোই ভুলব না যে সে আমার বিপদের সময় আমাকে সাহায্য করেছিল।